Alrighty guys, so what's up? Today I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna be doing a moto style vlog with this beauty right here. And since the last time you seen her, I made some changes, put some Sumo tires on there, red spoke skins, painted the brake disc red, some engine parts all around the bottom of the fairings, as well as in the back here, and this side of course. But anyways, today I'm gonna be practicing some wheelies, getting better at it, and I also changed the back brake, because the one that was on there was, well, shit. Barely worked, and so it was pretty sketchy doing wheelies before. But now it's been like 1 or 2 months since I did any wheelies, so it's gonna be a little bit sketchy at first, but I think it's gonna work out pretty great. So let's get my gloves on just in case I fall. Better safe than sorry, you know. So let's see if it'll start first try. Oh yeah, baby. I hope you guys can hear me though. It's pretty loud. Alrighty, let's go. Shit. Ah, damn, I forgot. I fucked my clutch up, so maybe this video ain't gonna work. Yeah, 'cause you see... Shit. Yeah, it's... The fucking piece is fucked. But let me try to solve that. Hopefully that will work. Yep. Alright, take 2. Yep, rear brake works. She's warmed up now, so let's try a second gear wheelie. Oh crap. And since the last time you saw it, I also put a 12 tooth sprocket in the front instead of the 10. Alright, feels okay. Only thing is the front tire's not balanced, so it's a little bit sketchy when you go too fast, because the whole front of the bike just shakes up and down. But whatever. Also, I got this mirror on here. I know it looks... well, basically it looks ugly, but I want to see if there are any cops behind me, you know. Alright, so before I do a wheelie, I just basically tap the rear brake a little to see where it bites and how much. Shit. Okay, so third gear is a little bit too tall, it just bogs down. Now let me adjust my rear brake, because at the moment it was all the way down. And that's a little bit better. Let's just find neutral. I mean, sometimes it's so hard to get this bike into neutral. I don't know why. It's just so weird. This road also, it's like, it has a peak at the top. So it's really scary, because if you go on one of the sides, you like fall to that side. So I gotta stay like directly in the center. Okay, that's a little bit better. I need to work on getting up to the balance point though. That was much better. I feel what I need to practice the most is getting behind balance point and then using my brake. So then I can get used to and get comfortable with the foot brake. Because earlier I had a slider and then I had the handbrake right here where the clutch is. So in the beginning when I was learning wheelies on this thing, when I wanted to come down I just pressed the clutch in. And then obviously I came down pretty slowly because it was in neutral. But then after I came down I let go of the clutch as I let go of the brake in my slider. And so then it was like popping the clutch again, so I came back again. Shit. Alright, I'm gonna go for a short video now, because I don't have that much time and it's supposed to rain in like an hour. As you can see, the sky isn't all that beautiful, it's pretty gray and gloomy, not great. Gray. It's getting there. And also, I don't know if you can hear me over the sound of this engine, it's pretty loud, so when I talk I try to keep the clutch in. So I don't have to shout because I want to save my voice for whatever can happen Friday night. Because it's all about getting comfortable. Because I know how to wheelie a scooter, I know how to wheelie a bike, it's just the foot brake, you know, it scares me. And then also this thing with the gears, like on a scooter you can hold the gas in and it has variator, so it variates the speed on its own. But on this I have to change the gears and yeah. I mean, I had a manual before I had the scooter, but still, it's another thing when you're wheeling than just going straight, because like this, I can just change pretty easily, like no problem. Also do clutchless shift, oh, if I'm not in top gear already. So if I'm in fourth, full throttle clutchless, you know, whatever. And that's what I try to do in the wheelies, because then I don't have to grip the clutch either. I can just change up and then therefore keep my hand on the grips, so that shit, fuck, god damn it. Guess what happened? Ran out of fuel, man. God damn it. That's also why I wanted to keep this short. Luckily I have the reserve, but it's only like 1 liter. So I'll do one more wheelie But then that's gonna be it for this video, I guess. Alright, now hold the clutch in. Let me just... let's let this car pass first. Then I'll do a wheelie and then I'm gonna just go home. So yeah. And if you guys enjoyed this video, remember to give it a like down below, as well as subscribe for more future content. And then let's do one last wheelie. That was not good. Okay, one more. That was okay. So remember to like the video, subscribe, and if you have any tips or tricks on wheeling, like, I would love to see some comments down below. So yeah, take care, and I'll see you guys next time.
I said I'm coming back around. And you ain't going nowhere, so put your jacket down. They might take me away, but guess who's back in town? The count feeling graduated with no cap and gown. So take me away, take me away. I don't wanna grow old, I don't wanna go astray. If I could go back, I wouldn't change shit, I would give them the finger. Like fuck this, now I'm packed up my bags.